Today I came into this. Actually, I was caught unaware, but thank God that I was part of this, and I got an experience of how I can put my work plan down on paper, not just leaving it on paper, but actually it being on paper, it always reminds you of what you want to be and where you want to go. And what still, they asked us, what is your biggest dream and how do you want to impact the world? And in that, your mind gets to be opened up wide, and you think of what exactly you want to be and how you want the world to learn from you. And I think I want to be a role model to someone, inspire someone to do something that can keep them and a living.